Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the second lesson, A1 German. So we are going to continue from the last video. And if you have not watched the last video, is the first lesson of A1. You can go to my channel and look for the video. It's the first lesson and this is the second lesson. So if you are interested to learn German, welcome. You can follow this channel. We will be learning German. So you can also share to your friends who are interested to learn the language. Yes, so let's begin. Today we're going to start by learning how to say numbers. So how to say numbers. So how do you say numbers in German? It's very simple. So in this lesson, we're going to learn from 1 to 100. So make sure you have somewhere to write. Yeah, because it's going to be a long video. Not even 1, it's 0 to 100. From 0 to 100. So let's begin. So 0 is null. Null. Then 1 is eins. Eins. So in German, when you come across E and I in any word, it is pronounced as I. Okay? E and I, it will be pronounced as I. So that's why we say eins and not eins. Next one is number 2. Number 2 is zwei. Zwei. W is normally pronounced as V. Make sure to pay attention to this, the pronunciation. So this is zwei. Zwei. So we have null, eins, zwei. Then the third one, number 3, is, you can even try to pronounce that one and see if you can guess what it is. So it is dry. Dry. Then the next one is fear. Okay, fear. Man is pronounced so fear. Okay, so also note that if there's E-I in a word, not E-I, it's E-A, it will be pronounced as a E. Okay, so that's why you say fear. So null, eins, zwei, drei, and fear. Number 5 is fünf. Okay, fünf. Fünf. Note that on top of this U, you put umlaut. What are umlauts? Umlauts, they are the 2 dots. Okay, these 2 dots are called umlaut. So you put the 2 dots on top of U. So fünf. Next one is number 6. Number 6 is sechs. Okay, sechs. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Number 7 is pronounced as Z. It's only the pronunciation pronounced as Z. That's why we say Zex. Then next we have 8. 8 is act. Okay, act. Null, eins, zwei, drei, vier, so sorry for that, for the delay or any background noise. So we continue. Um, so let's say the numbers from the beginning. So we have null, eins. So E and I, you say eins. So eins, zwei. It also has E and I. Then drei, also E, I. Number 4 is vier, which is different. So vier, and we said here, E and A is pronounced as I, only the I. So vier. Then we have fünf, make sure you add the two dots on top of U. Then there is Zex, okay, Zex. Sieben. Sieben has E, no, I and A. IA, so sieben. Sieben. Then there's acht and neun. E and U, oi. Then the next one is 10. So 10 is sen. Okay, sen. So sen. Null, eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun und 10. Und is and. So hope you've copied so that we can continue. Then we have 11. 11 is elf. Okay, elf. Then there is 12. 12 is zwölf. Zwölf. Also here in zwölf, on top of you add two dots, which are called umlaut in German, so zwölf. Then from number 13 to number 19, there is a pattern, okay, a very simple pattern that you can use to memorize. So let's try with 13. 13 is made up of 3 and 10, right? 3 and 10. So, and we have learned 3 in German is drei. Okay, so you can come write drei. Then 10 we've learned is zehn. So you write zehn. So simply number 13 in German is dreizehn. Dreizehn. So the two the words should be together, no space. Let's try with 14. So 14 is 4 and 10. Okay, so 4 we have learned is vier. Okay, vier. Vier. Okay, and 10 is 10. So it's vierzehn. So what do you think 15 is? Yeah, 14 is so few 5 and then 10 10 few 10. What about 16? Sechs 10. Okay, 6 sechs, then 10. 17. What do you think 17 is? So what happens in 17? 7 is 7, okay? Then 10 is 10. But in 17, there is a exception, okay? The en in 7 is cancelled, okay? So it only becomes 17, okay? Only 17. Zibs, zib, 10. Then we have 18. 18 is and then 10. Accent. And the last one, yeah, 9, 10. Okay, so 9, 9, 10. So this from 13, okay, to 19, they have a pattern. You just take the number, like for example 15, you take 5 and 10, then you put them together. 5, 10. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. We remind ourselves of the pronunciation. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, okay, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, and 19. Okay, hope you're understanding. If you have any question, you can ask. So from 20 to 100, or you can say from 20 to 99, there's also patterns. Okay, there are patterns. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how you say 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 to 90. Then I'm going to show you how to connect them. Then after that, you'll be able to say all numbers very easily. So 20, so 20 is 20. Okay, 20, 20. Then 30, 30. Okay, 30. 40, 40. Okay, 40. 50, 50, 50. And on top of this U in 50, add 2 dots on top of them. Then 60, 6, it's 60. Okay, 60. Then 70, 70. Okay, 70, then 80, 80, 80, then 90, 90, 90, then 100 is 100, okay, 100 or 100. So from number 20 to 100, there is a pattern. So it is important for you to know from 1 to 9, from 1 to 9, then from this 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 to 90, so that it is easier for you to learn, because the numbers are so easy. So I want to show you how it goes. For example, we say 21. We can start with 21. Okay, we can say that 21 is made up of 1 and 20. Okay, 1 and 20. And you have learned 1 eins, okay, and 20 you say 20. 20 you say 20. Then 20 you say 20. The S in 20, in eins, not 20. The S in eins goes. Then between ein und 20 you add a word called und. Und means and, okay? So number 21 is written ein und 20, okay? This is different from number 13 to number 19. From number 13 to 19, you don't add any und. Und is and in English. So from number 13 to 19, you don't add und. You just write the two words together. But from 21 to 99, you add und. Okay, so let's try number, for example, 24. So we already know 24 is 4 and 20. Okay, 4 and 20. So 4, what is 4? 4 is vier. Okay, 4 is vier, and 20 is 20. 20 is 20. So when you put together 4 and 20, so we say vier, then you remember to add und, then the 20. It's easy. So here, most important is the und in the middle of the two numbers. So yes, so ja und 20. And the words should be written together and do not leave any space. Okay, you're not allowed to leave any space. So also 26, you say 6 and Sorry. Sorry. Let's come back to 26. This is 26 und 28, 28 und 20. So 6, then 20. Okay. So 6 und 20, then 28, 8 is 8, then you add und 20. Okay. Then 32 und 30. 39, 39 und 30. So we can say 43. So 3, 3, then und, then 40 is 40. Okay. So the und, don't forget the und, and it's supposed to be one word. One word. So try 2, 60, 77, 88, 95, 99. So okay, then we have 52, 2, no space, und 50. Then there is 67. You start with 7. So 7, then 60. 7 und 60. Okay. Then you go to 77. 77, start with 7. 7, then und 70. Then 88, 8 und 80. Okay, 8 und 80. Then 95. So 5 und 90. So for the ones that you have not done, you can do them in your free time. Then 99 is 9 und 90. Okay, 9 und 90. So basically now you know from 1 to 100, because from 20 to 99 there's like a small pattern in the numbers also, and then the rest you, it's easy. It's easy for you to identify. Okay, so just need to go through them one more time and do practice. Okay, so the bonus tip for this lesson um will be how to say days of the week. Okay, days of the week. Days of the week: Monday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah. So days of the week, they are called in German Wochentag. Okay, Wochentag. They are called days of the week. Then also there is weekend. Weekend is Wochenende. Okay, Wochenende. So weekend. So Wochentag, days of the week. Then Wochenende, weekend. So let's start with Wochentag. So we have Montag, Monday, Montag, Monday. Then there is Dienstag. This is Tuesday. So Montag, okay, Montag, Dienstag. Then there is Mittwoch, Mittwoch. Mittwoch is Wednesday. Mittwoch. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch. Then there is also Donnerstag. Okay, Donnerstag. This is Thursday. Okay, Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, and Donnerstag. Then there is Friday. Friday is Freitag. Okay, Freitag is Friday. So there is Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, and Freitag. Okay, so these ones are Wochentag. Wochentag, days of the week. Okay, days of the week. So let's go to Wochenende. Wochenende, weekends. Okay, weekends. So and Sonntag, which is Sunday. So Samstag, Sonntag. So we can start. So the days of the week are called Wochentag. Okay, Wochentag. So Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Wochenende are weekends. Wochenende, weekends. So Samstag und Sonntag. We can also say Monat, months. Okay, months, the year, months of the year. So this is January, February, March. So first of all, months are called in German monat. Okay, monat is month, singular. Then plural is months. Okay, months. So monat and monative is that. English, it's normally the proper nouns, the names of a person or a place, but in German, it's every single noun. A table has to start with a capital letter. Yeah, anything. So the days of the week must start with a capital letter. Also, the months, has to start with a capital letter. So das Jahr means year, and also in German, so there are articles which we'll learn later, and this das is one of the articles. So we start with Januar. Okay, Januar is January. Yeah, Januar. This is, so it has to start with a capital J. Januar is January. Then there is February. This is February. Then March is März. This is March. So March or März, there's A. There are two on A, on top of A. There are two dots on top of A. So that's why it's pronounced as März. Then there's April. April, the same spellings but different pronunciation. This is April. And there's May. This is May. There's Juni. So J in German is pronounced as Y. So Juni is June. So J pronounced as Y. So that's why we say Juni, not Juni. So next one, Juli. Okay, Juli. This is July. Juli. So Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, and Juli. Okay. So we have August, the same spellings but different pronunciations is August, August. Then September. This is September, the same spellings but different pronunciation. Then October. So October, the only difference is in English we write it with a C, but in German you write it with a K. So October with a K. So the difference is very small. The difference is very small. So October. Yeah. Then we have November. The same spellings and almost the same pronunciation. November. Then December. Okay. So instead of December, yes, instead of C, it stays Z. Okay. I'm not sure in English is it written like that. Let me try again this. Yeah. December. Then in German it's December. It's only a Z. It's the one that's changing. December. Yeah. So this Z. Okay. So Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, and December. So today we have learned numbers from 1 to 100, days of the week, and months, how to say months. So make sure to review everything immediately after the class so that it can be easy for you to remember the pronunciation, because when you say that you'll review it later, you will have forgotten most of it. So thank you for watching. Thank you everyone for watching. um Kindly like the video. You can share it to your friends who are interested in learning the language, yes, and have no time to go to any school. Yeah, also subscribe for more for more future videos. Yes, so we'll be having the third class tomorrow, so stay tuned. Also A1 lesson 3. So hope you enjoyed. You can rewatch the videos if you came late. Yeah, choose. If you have any question, you can write them in the comments and I will answer you. Yeah, thank you.